Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable and disable double tap to turn on or off screen in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and you want to enable or disable double tap to turn off screen or off, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for advanced features here, tap on it, then tap on motion and gestures. From here, you will easily get double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. You must have to toggle them on, and after that just go back and let's try this how. So you just have to double tap on your screen whenever you want to turn it off, and when you want to turn it on just double tap on it again and it will turn on just like this. Now if you want to disable the settings, just go for settings again, and here go for motion and gestures, and here just disable these show settings to disable double tap to turn off or on screen. So that's how you can easily enable or disable double tap to turn on or off screen in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.